Hello everyone, welcome to the third part of the tutorial on AMP Ethernet IP devices inside the CODESYS. So in this video, I will explain more about the AMP function blocks that you can use in your program. So I have all the function blocks imported from AMP library. To know more about how to import a function blocks, please check out our video tutorial number 2. Also on the right side window, I have the drive feedback, input and output assembly, so we can read the feedback in the real time. So I will test few of the function blocks. So I'm gonna start with the AMP jog move. So I'm going to assign 5 RPS in speed, acceleration and deceleration. And once I execute the function block, the motor will start jogging. To verify, let's check the AMP input assembly, and we can see that actual velocity of the motor is 5 RPS. To stop motor jogging, we will use AMP normal stop function block. So here is AMP motor normal stop. So once I execute the function block, let's check the actual velocity. So we can read the actual velocity is 0, so the motor stopped jogging. Now for the next function blocks, I will test AMP SCL command execute function block. So we can assign different SCL command and the parameter inside the register 1 and register 2. So I will use the EP command, so that means encoder position. So this function blocks will set the encoder position whatever the value we assign inside the register 1. So I have assigned 0 inside the register 1. So once I'm done executing the function block, the encoder position value 0 return to the encoder position assembly. So as we can read in the feedback, the encoder position is returned to 0. Now let's check the another function block. I have AMP relative move function block, and I will assign parameter here. So in distance, I will assign 10,000 steps, and in speed, acceleration and deceleration, I will assign 5 RPS. Now let's execute the function block. So as we can see in the feedback, the motor has turned 10,000 steps. So this is how we can use all the function blocks using AMP library, and it's very easy to use. To know more about each function blocks, you can check the user guide attached to the application note. So that's the end of the video tutorial number 3. Thank you very much.